Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your role, admin or accountant, so you have permission to post journals. Once confirmed, make sure accounts exist. Open accounting, then chart of accounts, and verify necessary ledger codes. After verifying, go to accounting, then manual journals and click new journal. Enter the journal date and reference so entries tie to your period. This gets you ready to post. You start with a clear date and accounts, which prevents later reconciliation headaches. Now you enter the transaction lines, select each account, add a clear description, and input debit or credit amounts. Make sure you include tax or class fields if the journal affects sales tax or departmental reporting. Attach supporting documents and set a memo to explain the reason for the adjustment. Once you finish, verify total debits equal total credits. If they do not, recheck amounts and account selections. This precision prevents later audit and reconciliation. Finish by previewing the journal, review dates, accounts, and supporting docs, then click Save or Save and post once debits equal credits. If you need to change a posted journal, create a reversing entry or an adjusting journal so the audit trail remains intact. If you encounter an imbalance, check for rounding discrepancies, incorrect account types like asset versus expense, or hidden tax and discount lines. If problems persist, disable browser extensions and try another browser before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.